Hey, hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just Araba. So with this hairstyle, we're just gonna start off with a fresh detangled hair. And I went ahead and just parted all my sections before I even started twisting my hair. You can see that I was very much struggling. So the hardest part is just trying to part the back. But I would say for this hairstyle that I did, I really didn't make my parts too perfect. I more so cared about it in the front of my head.
Cause you got me face down, and don't take this personal. The words, you know what you've done to me. Although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running.
So this was probably me the next day looking like a village girl. But that's okay, the glow up is going to be real. But yes, I sectioned the back, and then I went ahead and sectioned the front of my hair as well. I was trying to show you, but it wasn't too obvious, but you get the gist.
What you say now? Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up?
So for this hairstyle, I used the Cuban twist hair, and also used another type of hair, but I will show that later. And then I used this shine and jam just to lay my hair down as I twisted. This is the rubber band method, so I went ahead and tied up my hair. You'll see that soon. And yeah, I was just enjoying and feeling myself. I think I was singing Feeling by Ladipo, if you know the song, then you know. But I did use the rubber band method on my hair for this hairstyle. It just made things much easier for me and quicker. So I started out by slicking down my using the gel that I just showed you, the shine and jam, and then I went ahead and used my rubber band. Make sure you always oil your rubber bands that you be using on your head, just so it helps out. But I did use 2 pieces of the Cuban twist hair, and then once I started, because I wanted a longer length, I went ahead and added extra hair to the bottom, in which y'all will see in the clips coming up.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, strip, no chaser. All of my guys know me, all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy call me number 1. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. We don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place me on that take. Yeah, 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 yeah. We come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is the hair that I added to my hair. It's a different type of hair, but it's kind of similar. It's a Jamaican twist, and I just showed you guys how I did it. I already had the hair at home. Before I started this hairstyle, I bought the long hair, but I still wanted to incorporate it because I wanted my money to go into use, basically. But yeah, if you want a long, you're gonna have to put the hair in your mouth, unfortunately. But that's what I did, and it turned out pretty nice.
Yeah, you got that teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, Up for party, get act surprise. Be the highest in the room, the guests arrive. Yeah, ain't nobody realer. Touchdown, got a couple G's for the dealer. Gang sign. Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, strip, me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy call me number one. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. We don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in, I place me on that taker. Yeah, 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 yeah. We come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. We come closer.
So this is the length that I achieved with my hair. It's not super perfect, but it did it for me. It was full and it was long and it was very cute. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Wash on my rover, we in Miami.